This is Storm 101 here. Today, we're going to do part two of this. What happened on the last one? Uh, my phone died, so we're going to continue the live stream because we still got tornado warning storms still going. We got one heading towards the Louisville area, and we got another one on near the Ohio River. So we may do um tropical update since the last one is still going slow. So let's go ahead and go to those two storms in particular. We got a tornado warning in southern Indiana. We got another one in Owensboro at this point. We got a lot and tons of flash flood warnings and watches going on. The Midwest, everywhere, man. They are everywhere. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and refresh this real quick. Okay, where the heck is that? Whoa. Let's see. My question is, where the heck is this at? Where is this? Off of Highway 60 in rural area near Stanley, Kentucky, in Davis County. Oh, I think that's the Owensboro storm. Well, look at that, guys. That is the we got a tornado that happened. Look at there, guys. A tornado touchdown. Seems like this one here is at Owensboro. I don't know where this county is, but I just know that Davis County is in Western Kentucky, and I'm pretty sure this is the Owensboro storm. Very interesting. Okay. Oh, I'm glad I got this radar. Man, I don't have anybody on here yet. I'm gonna wait for a little bit for some people to join. We just had one earlier. Also, that moderate rain is starting to calm down quite a bit. Also, the radar on my TV, I cannot see the cell till it moves out of that green. Hopefully we can get some people on here. So we still got those two tornado warnings still continuing. Let's go ahead and look on the National Weather Service. I see there's a few new things that just come up. Maybe. They need to send this picture right here to the National Weather Service. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go on here where I usually do right here. Critical. Let's go ahead and look at storm reports. No tornado report yet, but we had a lot of wind reports over that way. the overview there. Let's go to the Hurricane Center. Why not do a little bit of a hurricane update, since the other one you'll have to wait on is taking so long. I have a 16-minute around there of a hurricane update coming along. And yes, we got somebody on there. That's awesome. Nope, he left. Apparently. That's hilarious, though. That is hilarious. And let's just get to on radar then. Okay. They did not get. Okay, both of the tornado warnings are gone, but I'm going to go ahead and, since most of the storms are dying down quite a bit, I want to go ahead and do the hurricane stuff real quick before I end this stream. It has upgraded to 70 mile per hour winds, so this storm is getting strength. See where the cone's taking. It is more inland now. Taking the track more of this way. It's just a ridge. It's what it is. I forgot to talk about this on the hurricane video that's uploading right now. That the ridge matters and wants to go around it. So here, let's go ahead and do it on here. What it's looking like. If we go to the blue here, get your high pressure system, and it's kind of wanting to going like this. That is terrible. Let me try it again. He's kind of wanting to follow the cone here, and it just similar to like that. So it's gonna want its track to go more this way into the mountains here. So I do have forecasts on there, the wind forecast and the percentages. Okay. No. Wind speed probabilities. Let's go ahead and look. It's getting closer to that red area in particular. It's getting closer. Let's look at 50 knots. Now let's look at hurricane. It's getting closer to the hurricane. If anybody's joining right now, there is no tornado warnings, but I want to go over this really quick of Hurricane Florence, since the video I've done earlier today it's been taking a while. So yes, your hurricane probabilities here. It's fine that they can leave or not. They can stick around. So yes, there was a tornado out in Davis County. It was a stovepipe tornado. Seems like it would have been EF2 strength. So let's go back to Chris Bailey's. This is where I get a good amount of information and stuff. Tornado warning for Davis County. Oh man, look at this. Whoa. Alright, a funnel cloud. Yeah, Storm Piercer needs to upgrade to slight risk out here because things are starting to go a little bit nuts. I need to know where Davis County is. I don't see tornado warning box on the TV radar yet. I don't see it, or it's just hidden in the green area. So, looks like we have another tornado warning somewhere. Here, I want to search it up where most of it is. Alright. Kentucky T's map. There we go. There's a lot of counties in the state. I'm not even joking either. Where's Davis County at? Oh, that's a bad map. With words that could be bigger. Davis County, where are you? Aha! Davis County is... That's south of Evansville. That is just south of Evansville, isn't it? Let me look closer there. Yep. If I could picture it right. So Davis County is the Owensboro storm. I don't see a tornado warning yet on radar. Oh. Okay, severe thunderstorm warning. This is going to go all the way into eastern Kentucky. Okay, we're going to go way out here into eastern Kentucky. There's a severe thunderstorm warning way out here. I cannot get there. Severe thunderstorm warning. This is moving north for the most part and a little bit east. This storm is containing a lot of lightning. There's that old Bo Echo storm. It's died out quite a bit. It's a new severe thunderstorm warning out that way into Pike County. But I still don't know what he's talking about. It might have come out late because that was 4 minutes ago with him saying that. So, yes. That's a decent tornado from Davis County. And that was the Owensboro storm that we were tracking that had that little hook on it. So, I think I'm going to end it here, guys. There's not much other stuff going on except for the severe thunderstorm warning that just popped up for Pike County. And for another county just north of that. Just hopefully y'all enjoy this second live stream that continued from the last one that failed. And I'll see y'all in... Oh, never mind. Never mind. There's that tornado warning. Okay, we're not gonna leave. We got a new tornado warning just north of Owensboro that just come up on the map. That's the one that he was talking about. It's right up here, just north of Owensboro. It does extend into Kentucky a little bit as well. Seems like Tennessee is going to dodge another bullet. That's insane. That's insane that Tennessee is going to get a second tornado warning. I'm guessing the tornado is on the ground right now. I'm not exactly sure. But there was a tornado on the ground, and it was a stove-type tornado. There's Santa Claus, Indiana, right there. There's a theme park there, and there's a tornado warning for that park. So, there is a tornado on the ground. Seems like right now, it's just north of Owensboro. They just posted another tornado warning. We're going to go back to the National Weather Service at Louisville. 53 seconds ago. Here's this tornado warning right here. There's another one north of that. Small, still radar indicated there was a tornado on the ground. I guess nobody did not tell them yet that there's actually a tornado. A tornado was on the ground passing Owensboro in Davis County. So we're not gonna continue the weather. I mean, a hurricane. Oh, it's just about to go off, and another tornado warning just popped up for southern Indiana and just for a small part of Kentucky. Okay. Anything, new information? Oh, there we go. Now it's for Hancock County. It's out of Davis County. So here's kind of the setup here. Flash flooding likely 1 to 3 through 18Z. You got your surface front there. So there's nobody watching the stream right now, but there is another tornado warning just popped up on the same storm that produced a tornado earlier. I'm glad I'm live streaming. If it can show me the velocity, I'll be really happy to see it. There's your wall clouds in Candle City and Morgan County. That was the Bow Echo storm. There you go. Torrential rainfall, all that good stuff. He'll probably show us that in a moment. What it's looking like. Let's see if we can see rotation on this radar in particular. It's sometimes hard to see rotation on radar. You need velocity, and I wish that I had that to show y'all guys the velocity, because I don't have it at this point. I'm looking back and forth here. Excuse me. Alright, see. Not much news coming in yet. If I had Twitter, I would have told National Reserves at Louisville that there was a tornado in Davidson County. I'm just waiting to see if there's any new information from this. I guess we can go ahead and go back to the Pikeville severe thunderstorm. Lots of lightning on this storm. Yeah. My throat is getting dry from talking so much. Especially. Not much has happened around here. That tornado warning storm earlier today, down in Boyle County, Casey, and Lincoln County, we just got some moderate to heavy rain here. That's it, and they all fall apart. Now it's just like to moderate rain. That's what happens to when storms start to die down, you know. Here, let's go back. Let's take a look. See if I could find anything else interesting that could be pretty good. NOAA National Service Storm Prediction Center. Critical fire weather conditions today. There's a marginal risk up that way in the Northern Rockies. I guess so. There's also a small chance for severe weather tomorrow as well. So I guess we can go ahead and get on cloud meteorology. Wow. Let's see if we get any updates from the National Weather Service. It's going to be more over here. More this way. It's where more the marginal risk is. I need to stop saying that. Let's look at bulk shear and everything like that. Now, this is tomorrow. Now, nothing really good with K values, just around 1,000 to 2,000. Not really healthy there. We could continue on. Let's look at AHI. Not healthy either. Then what made him issue a marginal risk tomorrow? There's actually some helicity tomorrow, actually. Oh, there you go. There's some ingredients there. Now, supercell composite. What does it bring all these together into what's going to happen tomorrow? That this thing actually got it right today. The tornado did touch in an orange area, so it made a win. So that's good. It's also got some severe weather a little bit over here. Kind of missed that. There we go. Orange area in eastern Kentucky for tomorrow. I think this thing's not working properly. Shows tornado possible. It's because of the Gordon. It's kind of what it is. There's not much ingredients in the atmosphere to do much of anything. So let's see if we got any new info from anybody here. There you go. There it is. Here we go, guys. I think it's talking about, yeah, it's talking about right in here. Look at that. There's the radar. Actually, this is from Radar Scope Pro Edition. Man, I really need to give me one of these, man. So badly. There you go. Thunderclouds, tornado was on the ground. Snowstorm's also going to... Man, people in Tell City, man, they're going to dodge a bullet twice today. That old circulation's not over I-64, as I could tell, on that radar in particular. So let's go ahead and go back onto the radar. Let's go ahead and go back to the Owensboro storm. That is still tornado warned. There was a tornado on the ground earlier just south of Owensboro. I don't know if that tornado is still on the ground or not. And there was also thunderclouds reported. Since I'm not getting any people, I think I'm just going to end it here since nobody's not wanting to come in. So hopefully you enjoyed this live stream that I made. I'm pretty sure this storm is getting ready to die down a little bit because all that rain up that way, it's been raining up there for a good amount of hours, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be some flooding up there soon. So I think that's going to cool down a lot up that way. And yep, see, there was a new flood warning there. And I'll see y'all in the next video live stream. Goodbye.